welcome back to my channel and welcome to the new video. Thank you so much for coming back. If you are new, my name is Anita Mavita. Please guys, help me to subscribe and give the video thumbs up. It helps a lot. Mbote na bine no suba fami soki eza mbana liboso tala ngai kombo na ngai ezali Anita Mavita. Pardon ede ngai partager like yangwana esalaka ba video na biso malamu. In today's video is about how to look expensive and classic. Na video lelo exotic ndenge nino kolata bilamba na yo obima Cher obima classic. So guys, the first look I picked up is this black blazer. This black blazer I picked up from Zara. Guys, we all know about Zara. Zara with the blazer, they are number one. Zara, they go beautiful blazer. Guys, look at how this blazer it looks. We can't even complain about Zara. We all know Zara is number one. I don't know. Zara for this blazer is number one for me. Zara, they go very beautiful classic blazer. If you want blazer, guys, you need to go to Zara. You will like it, you will love it. Look at this blazer. Look at how beautiful it is. We all know about black. With black color, you can't get confused. Black color, it goes with everything. Nazi blazer oyo na Zara. Biso to ebi Zara okoko get lost. Zara is a vraiment ba veste moko ya bien, ya classique. So I got this blazer in Zara in size L. Nazi on a size L. Now it's like na sale. It's on sale. The price now is $49.99. So Nazi on a prix à 40 livres 99. This blazer is so nice. You can see, we all know about Zara. Even material is so nice, it's so pretty. I've got this one on sale. The normal price it was $59.99, but on sale they put $49.99. Na pre na normal is like $59.99, me batengo $49.99. Guys, look at this blazer. With this blazer, it can go with everything. And then I got these black trousers. These black trousers, both of them, they go together. If I put them like this, these black trousers and this black blazer, guys, he's so nice. When you put it on, you look expensive, you look classic. So I got these trousers in size L. The price is $27.99. It's not on sale, it's on normal price. Nazi pantalon oyo na priya 27 livres 99 na numéro L, na numéro large L. Don nazi yango nyoso temi bale. Oh guys, look at how beautiful this two is when you put it on. Come on guys, even when you are going for the interview, you wear like this with nice top inside, jumper or top, it depends on you the way you put it on. Guys, these two are amazing. These two is so beautiful. These two blazer you can wear like this with nice crop top inside, with nice shirt, with nice top, with nice vest. It depends on you. So with this one, with black, guys, you know that you can't get confused. So the good thing about black, I like black because black it goes with everything. White bag, black bag, red bag, orange bag. It depends on you the way you want to put it on. Even black bag it will go. But for me to look classic, I'll just wear this like black bag or brown bag or pink bag. It depends on you. But for you to look expensive, for you to look classic, do not put too much color. Do not put too much color. You know, when you're going somewhere, like you go for the interview, you cannot wear like 100 colors. You know, when you put it like this with white stuff or with black or with one color, like two color, black blazer, black trousers, black shoes, and color bag, not colorful, but color bag. or maybe expensive bag. You don't have to wear like designer bag. You can wear any bag, even from Zara, from H&M, from Primark, from Bats. Some nice bag to make you look like wow. When someone see you, look at you like wow, she looks nice, with nice makeup, simple makeup, not too much makeup, not too much colorful makeup, you know, some nice hair, like I got my nice ponytail here, or nice wig, you know, or nice wig. You look nice, you a nice perfume, you smell nice. Yes, this is how it goes. Tango lati elamba ya boy ba famille, o lati forma veste ya boy, o bimi ki toko classique simple, o te maquillage ebele te, ba couleur ebele te, o memi saki na moko ya kitoko, ata saki miko uti na Primark, ate uti na H&M, ate uti na Zara pe kaka, ate uti wapi na ba kombo yo yebi, kota maquillage ebele te, kota ba rouge à lèvres, ba couleur ebele te, non, o lati pena o bimi classique. Ozo tambola bien parfumé, parfum kwa kitoko, you smell nice. Don't mutu pena talo abi wow, she looks nice. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Tango lingi obima expensive, ko compliqué citation te. You do spend a lot, but you know you look nice. You know something like Zara, they're nice, they're expensive, but they're quality. This one it will last longer, guys. You look nice, you look wow with this one. So the next item I picked up, guys, is this blazer. Look at this blazer. Wow, look at this blazer, so beautiful. Look at that, so beautiful. I got this from Zara too. So this one I go on size L. I got this in size L. This was basically was £100 and now is $59.99. Even the color is so nice, it's so pretty. He got detail on there. Look at all this one. This is so pretty, it's so nice. When you put it on, you look nice, you look classic, you look like wow. And then I got these trousers to go together. So this trousers is $29.99. I go on size L. These trousers $29.99. Both of them like this darling, with maybe with white top, the way I can wear, or the way I wear it, with white top, with white crop top inside, maybe with like black shoes, black bag. Because you got this color already, you cannot wear this with another. My trousers is cream, it's the same color as the blazer, so it match. So I try my best to match both of them to look nice. That you, some people they can wear like this with blonde hair, with red hair. It depends on you, but someone like me, just to make sure that I look classic, I look expensive, I look simple, because these two is match. I can mix with black hair, black shoes, black bag. So to make sure that I got two color on me, my hair is black, my bag will be black, my shoes will be black. With this one, guys, bam, don't go too extra, don't do too much. The more you trying to look like too much, the more you will mess up. Just try your best. You do some nice makeup, nice hair, you look nice. But for me, er moko to compliquer ka citation biso moko. Biloko mse zakalango simple ya kolata mais to compliquer ka citation. Soko sombi lamba ya boye pona nga nita so nazo lata yango na kozala si fona lata suki nanga ezala noir. Suki nanga ezala noir, sapat nanga na kolata na si ekozala noir. Saki nanga pe ko kozala noir ata ya couleur bo po parce que bilamba o eza déjà na ba couleur, eza déjà na couleur mo zo flasher makasi. Yango na siko fo lata la ngone loko mo okam couleur nango okam nango down. So you cannot mix it with blonde hair. It's up to you. I'm not saying that you can, but for me, I'm not gonna wear blonde hair because it's gonna look too much for me. For you to look classic, to look nice, avoid too much flash color. Pona ko inviter obima soki ndenge nini te inviter ba couleur ebele tango lingi obima classique, tango lingi obima expensive. Donc inviter ko tsangisa ba couleur moko bo oyo e ko bimisa mo genre. You can buy expensive clothes, expensive whatever you spend a lot of money, but if it's too much color, it looks like But when you go, you buy something even cheaper, but the way you put it on, I love it. I'm in love with this blazer. I love it, to be honest. I love it. I love Zara's blazer. They look so nice, they look so pretty. With this one, you can't get lost even on the party. You can even wear this when you go to wedding party, when you go to birthday party, you go to church, you go to meeting, you go to everywhere you go, you wear like this, my darling. You look you look so pretty. Very beautiful shirt, very beautiful color. You can even wear this shirt in summer, in winter. There's no problem with this. Very pretty color, guys. You can see it. They mix like a light green and purple. It's so pretty, guys. Even material is so nice, it's so light, it's not that heavy, you know, it's so nice. So with this one, I can wear this with black trousers. I can wear this with like black trousers, yeah, black trousers, black bag, black shoes, guys. It will look nice. Na kolata na ngape boye et chemise oyo na pantalon ya noir et ko simba toujours na suki na nga ya noir na saki na nga ya noir. So beautiful, guys. This shirt is so amazing, it's so pretty. All this is about how to look expensive, how to look classic, you know, not all the time just to show your body. No, sometimes we need to look like classic, expensive. There's some place you can't wear like you show your boob to show your body. No, some place you have to wear classic. So this is what I'm talking about. When you wear like this, you enter the place, they look at you, they was like, wow, African woman, she's here. Tango lati boye obimi kitoko ezala ba place nyoso teka fo latara moi tole mona na moi nzote mona tezala ba place mususu vraiment esenga bilamba mo pene classique nzoto nyoso te bombani. Some place you don't have to wear like to look, oh, I have to look sexy. No, there is some place you can wear, you can dress to look sexy. There is some place you cannot dress to look sexy. Even you wear like this, you will still look sexy. You still look sexy, but you look classic, you look expensive, but you look the same time you look sexy as well. Because the shirt is nice when it sits on your body, you look sexy already. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So this shirt, guys, I'm telling you, is so amazing, it's so pretty, the color is so nice, the material is very nice. You put it on like this with simple makeup, you done your nice hair ponytail, or nice wig, or whatever hair you did is up to you. But for me, it looks nice, very nice color. For summer, for winter, it doesn't matter what season are we, but it looks nice, very beautiful. I'll go on size M. There was no size L, so I'll go on size M. The price, it was $29.99, now is $19.99. So now basically it's £20. It was £30. So they take away £10. Come on, cost of living, £10 is a lot of money. So you know, Zara, something like this, it will last longer. You can wear this maybe for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. It will still there, no matter how you wash it. He will still there. But if you buy for that £20, you go to somewhere, you buy like £5 clothes, that is not gonna last longer. It's not gonna last longer. Bozomona ba famille chemise vraiment eza kitoko makasi, eza pena bien olata on a pantalon ya noir, pantalon si yo moko lingo lata, vraiment eza kitoko. Zara vraiment bilamba moko bien. Eza ko osombi bilamba no ya Cher et Wumeli. You know, memi on a sac no moko ya nice, more expensive sac na yo. You know, with your expensive bag, it doesn't matter what name it is. Just nice bag to look wow, with nice shoes, nice sandals. You know, you look nice, you look expensive. My third one is this beautiful, guys. Look at this one. This is the second, they're the same, but this one it goes like pink and like dark blue. Yeah, you can see it's not purple. There it looks like purple, it's not purple, it's dark blue and pink. That, guys, This shirt is so lovely. My family chemise is makasi. It's so beautiful. You can see so beautiful. I got this in size L. And this one is not on sale. Basically, anyway, this one is not on sale. The price is $29.99. I got this in size L, $29.99. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Look at how this is. Chemise of meza kitoko makasi ba famille nanga olati boy ozo kende na église. When you wait like this, you're going to the church, you're going to the dinner with your friend. If it was me, I'll wait like this. You see these two here, he match. Can you see these trousers and this shirt here? He match. So for me, it's okay. I can wear the bag the same color as my shirt. It goes. If I wear a pink bag like this, it will go the way I wear. But I'll make sure my hair is black. My bag is black. I can never do my hair pink color or red color with this color. It will look too much. So guys, trying to avoid when you wear colorful clothes to wear colorful hair as well. It looks too much. You're not gonna look like classic or expensive. For you to look classic, expensive, simple, you have to make sure to match color. You're allowed to wear 3 colors normal. You're allowed to wear 3 colors. But if it was me, for me, Anita, I'll wear this shades as the way it go 3 color already, plus this, plus black hair. Maybe this my bag will be pink or white and black shoes, just to make sure to put the color down. So ba famille na ndenge nga na rolate na ndenge nga na lateli pantalon oyo couleur na obomona ekokani déjà awa couleur na ngo ekokani donc soki na rolate yango ndenge na lati yango na rolate yango na saki oyo eza na couleur oyo ekokana saki awa eza problème te de saki ya pembe mais na kozala sir suki na nga ezala noir sapato na nga ezala noir po parce que soki na lati lamba ya boye na tie suki ba suki na nga ba couleur ekozala trop ekobima bien te soko lingi obima classique obima expensive. Il faut qu'on invite kotaka ba couleur et belé et bimisara mutu moi jar muto soko lingo bima classique faut la ta ba couleur moi eza moi moke ça va. You dress like this, you go for dinner with your friend. Yeah, you go for dinner with your friend, you go for birthday party, you go for birthday party, you go to church, you going somewhere, you know, nice, quiet, you know, you go some place like when you enter, people they look at you with nice makeup, simple makeup, nice perfume, you smell nice, you look beautiful, you look expensive, you look wow. You know, when someone see you, the person look at you twice. That's why it depends the way you dress. When you dress you look cheap. You didn't spend too much money, but the way you put it on your clothes, that's why it will make you look she's expensive, she's cheap, she's expensive. The way you dress. So when they wanna depend on you mozolata po be my chic, po be my expensive, po be my classic. The way you mozo classic bilamba na yo na desordre te oye ba ke bachaka oyo mena mbongo moko ya mukie obimi pena wow. The last one is guys, look at this coat, look at this, wow, look at that, wow, look at that, so beautiful. Guys, you need to spend money. You need to spend your money with good quality, with good stuff. I got this coat here in Zara, but it's light pink. I wanted a black that time when they didn't have black, but now finally I got black. This coat is so nice, it's so beautiful. Look at how the way it is, guys. When you put it on with any color inside, you put this coat, this jacket on top, come on guys, you're going somewhere, yeah, people open the door for you. When you are enter with expensive bag, with expensive shoes, all trainers, all heels, is depend on you. This jacket Zara put on sale. I got this jacket in, hold on, I got this jacket in size XL. Yes, I got this jacket in size XL. It was 159.99, but now is 99.99. So basically it was 160, so it's 159.99. now is 99.99. So I got this beautiful coat in £100, but for me na zi jacket na Zara na 100 livres na sel prix na on normal ezaki 159.99, mais bakitisi yango na 100 na bi jamais na kotika ngo. It's good to spend your money in good quality. This one I can use this maybe for 20 years, for 10 years, it depends on me. This jacket, no way. Look at this, look at this. You need to have some nice jackets, you know, nice jacket. I spend my money for my handbag, my coats, my top, my shoes. I do spend money. With trousers, I don't really spend money for trousers, but top, bags, shoes, I do spend money, yes. And jackets, coats, I do spend money, because this stuff, you know, trousers, you can get any from anywhere. Your top, your bag, your shoes, that's the first things when someone see you, the person look you like, wow, this coat, no way, you can't get lost. You can't get lost. This coat, you wear something like, even red is up to you. Even you wear something red, pink, blue, any color inside, and you put this black coat on top. Wow. You close it. Look, you close it with nice bag, maybe with nice glasses in summer. Yeah, sorry, in winter. This one in winter, guys, the price is not going to be the same. So pretty, so nice. In winter, you don't have to wear too much clothes. You can even wear just like one jumper, you know, one jumper and your trousers, whatever you put it on, you go. You don't need to put too much like cardigan, this and this, no, because it's heavy enough. It's heavy enough, and it's so pretty, it's so classic, guys. And the problem is the price. But na zui jacket o na Zara na 100 livres 99 puis na ngozaki ba 100 et quelques livres. Tant na mona bi na botika jacket ote eza jacket mo pena kitoko, eza classique, eza kitoko, eza tissu moko abi e ko lax longa oko etiza ota pendant 20 à 30 kaka yo kaka o lati boy na sac no mo kitoko expensive na bien parfumé, parfum moko kitoko okende pena place boy ba fongole li au porte ba tali opena oh, what is so work? You want about some place when you go, down place so kota boy, also ko intimidate batu. Mutatalo binabi oh nanya wodi subu. I be take Congolese girls a place wana. Kolata ezalaka mamba stratégie. Yo mo zaka na stratégie ndenge nini kolata. Tant ozo classer bien, ozo ko inviter ba couleur moko ko sala ba désordre, o ba ndo bima classique nice. Obimi no simple ba classique. Babiloko boy. La something like this, guys. You look simple, you look classic, you look expensive, but you did spend a lot of money. You need to know how to have a trick. Yeah, coats nde makambo. Bolinga ngo nebo sala wande sambla. You know, I like to look good. The thing about me, I just like to look good, look expensive, look classic, look simple. That's me. Yeah, that's me. I like to look simple, classic, expensive, look good. That's me. Na linga na kaka na Zara, na bima na ngai simple, na bima Cher, na bima classique. Donc voilà, on est ngai. If you like to look simple, classic, expensive, this video is for you. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you, the stuff I picked up from Zara. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching me. Merci na bien subande kotala ngai. Please guys, as I always ask, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.